Huwag ka maniwala sa mga lawyer mo.
Okay.
Pahabain niya ang kaso para at least makuha lahat ng pera mo.
Okay.
And accordingly, kapag nag-file na yung mga victims ng human trafficking, we are telling you, walang bail yan. Right away, ikukulong ka. So, Mr. Chair, I want to give to Ms. Cassandra Leong this Republic Act number 6981 para for her to contemplate while she's in our custody. Kasi, basahin mo mabuti to. We are helping you. Huwag ka maniwala sa mga lawyer mo. Daily lamang ang gusto ng mga yan. And I mean, let's face it. They want to prolong your cases. Why? Of course. We know that. Kaya si Atty. Topacio, alam mo yan si Atty. Topacio, ayun, ang daming banat kay Congressman Abante. Ang daming banat kay Jinky Luistro. Ang daming banat sa akin lingkod. So, it's our time to get even, no? Alam mo, pahabain niya ang kaso para at least makuha lahat ng pera mo.
Okay. Sige. Thank you. Thank you, Congressman Fernandez. The next to interpolate is Congressman Keith Flores.